back to next-gen mobility, where we bring automotive legends back to life. Today, we're diving into a rare American gem, the 1983 Mango Dodge Challenger RT. This isn't just muscle, it's pure character packed in steel, chrome, and attitude. Let's start with the exterior. The mango finish immediately grabs attention, bold and retro with a touch of wild. In 1983, this color stood out even among muscle car royalty, and today, it still demands respect. Up front, the Challenger sports a sleek, low-profile grille flanked by dual rectangular headlights. The RT badging gives it that classic performance edge, proudly stamped in muscle car history. Wide fenders arch over chrome-accented wheels wrapped in raised wide-letter tires, side stripes run across the body, giving it that signature Dodge aggression. And let's not forget the rear end ducktail spoiler and quad taillights give it a look that's both elegant and intimidating. Every angle screams performance, but with the kind of swagger only the early 80s could deliver. Now, step inside. The cabin of the '83 Challenger RT was a blend of sport and comfort. You're greeted with bucket seats wrapped in high-grade vinyl, color-matched to the mango exterior. The dash is driver-focused, with large analog gauges framed in brushed aluminum. There's no touchscreen here, just pure tactile satisfaction from real buttons, real switches, real driving. A T-handle shifter sits in the center console, reminding you this car means business. Power windows, AM/FM stereo, and air conditioning were premium for its time, and they all come stock in this ride. Even the steering wheel, 3-spoke and thick-rimmed, is designed to keep you in full control. Under the hood, you'll find the heart of the beast, a 5.2-liter V8. This engine pushed out up to 150 horsepower, not a monster by today's numbers, but back then, it was plenty to light up those rear tires. Matched with a 3-speed automatic or a 5-speed manual, the RT gave drivers real choice and real engagement. Rear-wheel drive, a tight suspension, and a low center of gravity made it a true driver's car. The 1983 Challenger RT may not be the most famous in Dodge's muscle lineage, but it's a rare bridge between raw 70s muscle and the refined performance of the late 80s. It's a snapshot of a bold era, one that took risks with color, design, and power. If you ever get the chance to own one, hold on to it. This mango legend is a true mobility. Thanks for watching Chazine Car. Like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car deep dives. We'll see you on the next ride.